I challenged my little sister to draw Sussie. She goes first. Let's see what she got. She's so excited to try the N and Y markers. She liked it a lot. Now she doesn't want to stop drawing. I heard that magpie is a bird that brings good luck. Do you all remember her name? I bet no one can remember. She grew up quickly. She wanna give you a good luck kiss. Almost finished. Subscribe for part 2.